Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. This is where we do yummy recipes. Okay, today what we are doing is some cheesy rolls. Okay, very lovely cheesy rolls, and you have to watch to the end because there's a little bit of twist there. Okay, so what I have here, I have my flour here, so I'm going to add the dry ingredients. I have some yeast here and a little bit of nutmeg. Okay, and then I have some brown sugar. I love brown sugar, so if you watch my videos you see that I love brown sugar. I have brown sugar here, and I have some salt. I'm adding them all to this, and I'm going to mix this. Okay, smelling good already. So I mixed that. I'm trying to make a hole here, and then I'm going to add my warm milk. This is warm milk. Okay, and then I'm going to add some melted butter. All right, and then I'm going to mix that. Let's try and mix it to form a dough. Right guys, I just want to use my hands at this moment to form the dough. Okay, it's quite sticky, and that's how it's supposed to be. So guys, put our sticky dough. We're just going to knead it a bit. Put some flour there, and then you're going to knead it for a bit of a while until when you touch it and it bounces, then it means that it is done. Right guys, I've been kneading for a little bit of time, so okay, all right, you check it bounces back, so it means that that is done. So I'll put that in the bowl. I've oiled it already. Okay, so I'll cover this and I'll put it in a warm place for 1 hour. Okay, and then we'll continue after. See you in 1 hour. So guys, it's been an hour. So we are going to take out our dough. You can see that it's really risen. Okay, you take the air out of it. So take that out. I put flour here already. Just trying to take the air out before I roll. So guys, I'm trying to roll this into a square. So guys, I've already rolled the dough, so I'm going to put some butter on. Okay, that helps it to stick my cheese. So guys, this is my cheese, the cream cheese mix. What I've done here is some cream cheese with some brown sugar and a bit of vanilla extract, and it really tastes yummy. So I'll spread my cheese mix onto my dough. This is really yummy guys, so you have to try this. Okay guys, so I put my cheese mixture on top of my dough, and the next thing I need to do, okay, my kids don't like raisins, but I want to add raisins, so I just want to cut half of it. Okay, so I'm going to put raisins on one half. So these are my raisins, delicious. And I'm going to roll this bit, and then the other half I will tell you what I'm going to put that on. Okay, so these are my raisins. So guys, I need to roll this bit. Just do it bit by bit. All right. Just roll it nicely. Just try and cover this bit. So guys, I've just sealed them all, so I'm cutting them. Alright, so I've cut them, as you can see here. Okay, these are my raisins and my cheese mixture. So I'll put them on the tray. Right guys, so with the other dough, what I'm going to do, I already put the cheesy mixture on, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some cinnamon on. Even though the cinnamon roll is not like this, you put the cheese on top of it, but we think that it goes together, so you're going to add cinnamon to it, okay, because my kids do love them. So this is just a mixture of cinnamon and some brown sugar. So I'm going to just put that onto the dough, and I'm going to roll it. Oh my goodness, this will taste really good. So guys, I've put some cinnamon and sugar on top of it, and I'm going to roll it. Okay, I need to roll it just nicely. Just take your time and roll it nicely. Right guys, as you can see, I've rolled. Make sure you pinch the end so that the cheese won't come out. Okay, so nicely done here. So I'm going to cut them. Okay, normally people use string, but I don't have a string, so I'm just cutting them with a knife. Okay, so as you can see here, we have our cinnamony cheesy roll. Okay, and I think that it will really be good, guys, so try this recipe. Okay, so I put them in a tray like the other one, and I'm going to cover it. Afterwards. Okay, so guys, we've already cut them and put them on a tray, so I'm going to cover it for about 30 minutes, and I'll brush them and put them in the oven. Okay, so guys, we have our cheesy rolls here, so I'm going to just put this to butter it. Actually, this is yolk, 1 yolk and some milk, just to help it be golden. Okay, so I'll put that all around it. And then afterwards, we are going to put that in the oven. It's already preheated at 180 degrees, and we're going to put this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. So guys, we're going to put our cheesy rolls in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. So guys, our cheesy rolls are ready and it's delicious. I think this one won't last in my house, I tell you. It's so good. As you can see here, this is our cinnamony one. So we've got the cheese in the middle with the cinnamon, okay, and it tastes so good. Try this recipe. And also we have the cheese with the raisins one, guys. It tastes delicious. Okay, so it's very easy recipe and you can try this at home and can give it to your kids or friends, and it's really lovely. It smells so good. You can imagine how my house is smelling now. It smells really good. So if you like this recipe, guys, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications, okay, so that when I put up a new video you will be notified of that. Thanks for watching and may God richly bless you. Bye.